I told you that your biggest problem isn't failure, it's success? More orders, more channels, more growth? Sounds great. Until your distribution network starts cracking under the pressure. Across retail, e-commerce, fashion and grocery, growing brands are discovering something surprising. Success can break your system faster than failure ever could. And that's why companies are shifting toward a unified warehouse management system. Not just new software, but a shared operational nervous system. So how do you roll that out across an entire network without breaking the business? Let's walk the roadmap. Step 1, strategy, the rules of engagement. Before you touch a single warehouse, you need alignment. This means choosing the right warehouse management software, getting leadership aligned on what success actually means, assigning clear ownership for budget, timeline, and risk, prioritizing sites based on complexity, opportunity, and labor demands. The goal is balancing corporate standards with local reality. Step 2, architect the blueprint. Your tech stack, ERP, OMS, TMS, can turn into alphabet soup fast. A scalable WMS blueprint simplifies the chaos with standard API templates, clear cloud versus on-premise rules, integration structures that don't collapse during updates. We've seen companies juggling 5 versions of the same WMS. A unified architecture eliminates that technical debt for good. Step 3, clean the data. Here's the truth. Messy data kills implementations. Before you go live, you need harmonized master data, verified inventory counts, and legacy workflows mapped into new system logic. Clean data doesn't just power your system, it prevents day 1 disasters. Step 4, standardize, but stay flexible. No 2 distribution centers are identical. A high-velocity fashion hub doesn't behave like a grocery warehouse full of perishables. Your WMS must deliver consistent KPIs and reporting while adapting to real-world differences. The secret lies in on-site discovery. Get on the floor, watch the work happen, then automate intelligently. Step 5, pilot first, always. Never start with a big bang. Model your pilot in software. Simulate peak days. Stress test ugly order profiles. Ask, what happens if this conveyor or that shuttle goes down? Then go deeper with emulation, testing controls logic, integrations, using a digital twin. Start small, break things safely, fix them fast. Once stable, move to the higher volume sites or critical hubs. Build up momentum with the smaller sites and leave the larger, critical ones for after you see the proof. Fewer surprises, faster stabilization, and predictable rollouts. Step 6, manage the human element. Software rarely fails. Implementations do, when people aren't brought along, when the roles are not understood. Operators may have spent 10 years mastering the quirks of the old system. Replacing it changes their daily lives. A people-first rollout means process shadowing as part of requirements gathering, asking people on the floor about the flow, role-based training, super users who support their peers, and operational readiness before live orders ever hit. Step 7, the go live. When it's time to flip the switch, precision matters. Every site needs user acceptance testing, a detailed cutover plan, a rollback plan in the event of challenges inside or outside of the system, hypercare support for early stabilization. Multi-site deployments require IT, automations, and operations moving in lockstep. No guesswork, no improvising. The big picture. When the entire network is live, something powerful happens. You unlock network-wide KPIs, cross-site benchmarking, dynamic labor and inventory routing. You stop playing whack-a-mole with errors and start running a synchronized distribution engine. That's exactly why TGW Logistics Built works. Warehouse management software designed with unified, multi-site control with granular visibility of every process. Growth shouldn't break your system, it should power it. So if success is starting to strain your network, that's not a warning sign, that's your cue. Stop patching, start orchestrating. Read our blog and let's turn your warehouse bottlenecks into successes that you don't have to stress over.